Welcome to another topic in Life in the UK, a modern thriving society. Which of the following statements is correct? A famous sailing event is held at Cowes on the Isle of Wight. A famous sailing event is held in the city of Norwich. Many sailing events are held throughout the UK, the most famous of which is at Cowes on the Isle of Wight. A famous sailing event is held at Cowes on the Isle of Wight. How old do you have to be to go into a betting shop in the UK? 21, 18, 25, 30. In the UK, people often enjoy a gamble on sports or other events. You have to be over 18 to go into betting shops or gambling clubs. 18. St. George is the patron saint of which country? England, Scotland, Wales, Northern Ireland. St. George is the patron saint of England and is celebrated on 23rd of April each year. England. Which of the following statements is correct? Sir Steve Redgrave is a famous rower who won gold medals in 5 consecutive Olympic Games. Sir Steve Redgrave is a famous film actor who has won several BAFTAs. Sir Steve Redgrave won gold medals in rowing in 5 consecutive Olympic Games and is one of Britain's greatest Olympians. Sir Steve Redgrave is a famous rower who won gold medals in 5 consecutive Olympic Games. Is the statement below true or false? Some people rent land called an allotment where they grow fruit and vegetables. A lot of people have gardens at home and will spend their free time looking after them. Some people rent additional land called an allotment where they grow fruit and vegetables. True. Which 2 patron saints' days occur in March? St. David and St. George, St. David and St. Patrick, St. David and St. Andrew, St. Patrick and St. Andrew. St. David, the patron saint of Wales, has a special day on 1st March. St. Patrick, the patron saint of Northern Ireland and Ireland, has a special day on 17th March. St. David and St. Patrick. Which of the following statements is correct? Wales and Northern Ireland each have their own church of state. There is no established church in Wales or Northern Ireland. There is no established church in Wales or Northern Ireland. There is no established church in Wales or Northern Ireland. Which 2 are famous gardens in the UK? Sissinghurst and Snowdonia, London Eye and Sissinghurst, London Eye and Snowdonia, Sissinghurst and Bodnant Garden. Sissinghurst is in England and Bodnant Garden is in Wales. Sissinghurst and Bodnant Garden. St. Andrew is the patron saint of which country? England, Scotland, Wales, Northern Ireland. St. Andrew is the patron saint of Scotland and is celebrated on 30th November each year. Scotland. Is the statement below true or false? Northern Ireland and Scotland have their own banknotes. Northern Ireland and Scotland have their own banknotes which are valid everywhere in the UK. True.